ready to potentially boost your crypto game by automatically copying the moves of top traders. Let's dive into Bloombot's copy trading feature. First, navigate to the copy trading section within the Bloombot dashboard, where you'll find a curated list of traders. Take your time to browse through the available traders. Analyze their performance metrics like return on investment, win rate, and crucially, their risk score. Understanding the risk score is essential. Lower risk scores typically indicate a more conservative trading style, while higher scores suggest a more aggressive approach. Choose traders whose risk profile aligns with your own risk tolerance. Once you've chosen a trader, it's time to configure your copy trading settings. Here, you'll specify the amount you want to invest per trade, your preferred stop-loss percentage to limit potential losses, and your take-profit percentage to secure profits. After setting everything up, activate copy trading and monitor your performance. Bloombot provides real-time tracking of copy trades, allowing you to assess the trader's strategy and your overall profitability. Remember, successful copy trading relies on careful trader selection, diligent risk management, and continuous performance monitoring. With Bloombot, you're one step closer to potentially replicating the success of seasoned crypto investors. Happy trading!